Let's take a look at Google Cloud Platform controlled by Octoblu. The problems we're going to solve are 1. Consistent deployment, 2. Lifecycle maintenance, documentation, and communication, 3. Cost control. First, consistent deployment. Software vendors give administrators a set of recommended configuration parameters for machines they should deploy. Then, partner architects or internal specialists will tailor those guidelines to the corporate specifications. Now, the administrator needs to deploy these into the infrastructure as recommended, then document their actions.
Let's see how this works inside of this Octoblu flow. Let's take a look at this virtual machine that is deployed exactly the way we described in that scenario. All of the configurations are intact and repeatable. Now we can look at all of the parties that need to be notified. In this case, it's GitHub, Podio, and Slack, each representing a different type of user, either internal or external, that need to be notified about how the machine has been created.
Second, lifecycle maintenance, documentation, and communication. When a machine has a lifecycle event, like a reboot or an update, the dev team might let the admins know. Then the admin performs a task on that machine. Then the admin needs to update all of the stakeholders of the event and document the remediation.
From the perspective of Octoblu, this scenario is very similar. We'll still launch a flow. Octoblu will perform certain lifecycle actions and then report those back through the same reporting and documentation procedures we've already looked at.
Cost control. When the resource is no longer needed, when will it shut down and stop the cost?
Computer open Octoblu and trigger a machine teardown.
This command has led to Octoblu performing an orderly teardown of all the relevant machines, as we can see through the Google console here.